In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 8024402F on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Zone automatically is enabled if you are in a correct date and time. So make sure that you are in the correct date and time first. If you are not, turn off Set Time automatically. Click on the Change button and simply change the date and time from here and click on Change. After doing so, switch on the Set Time automatically and the Set Time Zone automatically. Make sure also that you have enough disk space for the downloads. Then the next thing that we can do is to temporarily disable the Windows Update service. So type services in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Scroll down to the W section, look for the Windows Update. Right click, go to Properties. Change this to disabled. Click on Stop. Apply and then OK. Once this is done. Okay, so the next thing that we can do is to perform the SFC scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Type SFC space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.